Hello, welcome to another anime paint night. I'm Corey, and this month we are doing a painting of Avatar Aang from Avatar The Last Airbender. So if you signed up for the kit, you'll get a canvas, some paint, some paintbrushes, and a sort of picture reference that you'll use to sort of follow along with. So I chose to paint Aang in his avatar state. If you've seen the show, when Aang goes into his avatar state, it's usually a big deal. A lot of big, important moments happen when he goes into his avatar state, so I thought it would be cool to do that one. So I'm starting with a purple silhouette, and then once I have that purple down, I'm gonna take some white paint and do his glowing tattoos, his eyes, as well as mark some areas that will be some highlights for later. After I do that layer of white, then I'm gonna fill in the background with black. Of course, if you want to use like a different color, or if you want to do like a grading effect, you can pick like different colors, do that. For this picture, I'm going to do like a black background, and then add some stars in the background, sort of like he's like standing in front of a star field. But if you want to change up the background or use like different color, feel free to do so. Once the black background is dry, as well as the purple silhouette, I'm going to take the black and sort of fill in the purple silhouette, not completely, but just sort of like the middle of it. So I'm going to like sort of leave kind of a purple outline showing throughout, but we're going to fill in the center of the silhouette with black. Then I'm going to go over the white areas again with some more white paint. For the highlights, instead of just going over them with straight white, I am mixing a little bit of purple with the white, so it's like a very light shade of purple, kind of like a pastel even. And I'm going to just use that to sort of do like some highlights, sort of like around his shoulders, his hands, his pants. Then I'm going to take another bit of white and purple, this time a little bit more purple, sort of like a darker shade of that pastel, and I'm going to put like a layer, an outline around the whole silhouette, sort of to give off sort of the effect that he's like glowing against this black background. Once that dries, it's pretty much just touching up those areas, especially with the white, building a strong white. It took a couple layers to like get a nice solid white for his eyes and his tattoos. With the highlights on his clothes and the rest of his body, it wasn't as necessary for that part to be like a solid white, so I just again used like mixed in a bit of that light purple. So I'll be getting like a nice effect. For the most part, that is pretty much the painting, just sort of going back and forth, touching up different parts of it, adding more black to the centers to help increase the contrast, and touching up the background again. Then, like I said, I went in with a smaller brush and sort of did some little dots here and there, tried to randomize it a bit to make some like a starry background. But that is pretty much our image for this month, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and let me know how yours turns out. Also, there is still time as of April 4th for you to enter our Iconicon fan art contest. So if you like drawing or painting characters like Avatar Aang or other anime shows or cartoon shows or comic characters, movie characters, anything like that, if you want to submit your entry, you can either do it digitally. I will include a link in the description for you to enter, or you can bring a physical copy of your art to the Suffolk Public Library, either our North Suffolk branch or the Morgan Memorial branch. This contest is going to run pretty much until the end of April, when we have our in-person Comic-Con event, Iconicon. And then we'll determine some winners for the art. We'll also have the art on display, so other people coming to the con will be able to see your awesome work. So if you're interested, definitely enter, because it's a lot of fun. But yeah, that is Anime Paint Night for this month. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.